Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply change font of your text in Elementor. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Elementor and then just click on your text and then just click the style, and when you're in style, go to typography, click on it, and you're gonna see the family here. So you will have default and you can really choose which one you actually like. And you can change that. So this is how you do it. Another thing is that if you would like to, I don't know, add your custom font, go to WordPress dashboard in Elementor, click on custom fonts, custom fonts, and add a new font. And just yep. So this is how you do it. Thank you, see ya, and goodbye.